We all know the deal. A modern SUV has 30 years of metallurgy and software designed to save your life in a wreck. An older car doesn't. But safety isn't just about how you survive a crash, it's about the habits that keep you out of one. When you're daily driving an older vehicle, you aren't just a passenger, you're the lead systems operator. You have to drive it like a pilot. In a modern car, people tend to drive in the pack. In an old car, the pack is the most dangerous place to be. I don't count car lengths, I focus on time. I keep a 5 to 7 second gap between me and the person in front. Older brakes don't always have the bite or the cooling of modern setups, and you need that buffer. If someone merges into your gap, don't fight them. Just ease off the gas and regrow your space. I also stay out of blind spots. If you're hovering next to a modern SUV, you might be invisible to their sensors and their driver. I either speed up or tuck back until I have clean air around me. Most drivers haven't actually explored the limits of their car until an emergency happens. If you're dailying an older car, you need to know exactly how it behaves when things go south. Go to an empty lot and practice threshold braking. Feel where the tires start to chirp before they lock up. If you don't have ABS, your right foot is the computer. You need that muscle memory locked in so you don't panic and slide when someone cuts you off in the rain. You want to know the car's braking point before the road forces you to find it. When you're putting real miles on an old car, maintenance isn't a hobby, it's your primary safety system. Focus on the direct feedback components. If there's a dead spot in your steering, that's a worn tie rod or steering box compromising your ability to swerve. If your brake pedal feels spongy, you've got air or old moisture in the lines. This also includes your outward communication. Make sure your grounds are clean so your lights are bright and your wipers actually clear the glass. The goal isn't a perfect car. It's a car where the steering, stopping, and visibility are 100% predictable every single morning. The lack of technology in an old car is actually its greatest safety feature. You aren't fighting a touchscreen just to change the temperature. Don't ruin that by cluttering your cockpit with a massive phone setup. Set your navigation before you leave, pick your music, and then stop using your phone. When you're driving an older machine, your brain is the most important safety feature in the car. Give it 100% of the data coming from the road. Because in my opinion, at the end of the day, why on earth would I want to mimic the one thing I dislike most about new cars? Driving an old car safely isn't about luck. It's about being a more attentive, more capable operator. It turns the chore of commuting into a craft. You're more aware of your surroundings, more in tune with your machine, and in a world full of distracted drivers and 5,000-pound tanks, that's your best defense.